go some incense while it's chasing someone. And incense again.
We've had reports of violence, and it looks like they left in a hurry.
Okay. The name is Robin Bishop, and she likes people. They like people that are alone.
Going upstairs.
Did he immediately start
I'll go
saying his
down.
name? Show me a sign. Show me a sign. Oop. Show me a sign. Fucking, I'm trying to look through the camera at it. Oh, is it already on? Show me a sign. Time to check the basement.
Yo.
Yo, checking for dot or
Housing.
orbs.
I wasn't getting anything, but
We shall see.
don't be sorry.
Are you friendly? How old are you? Where are you?
I got a radio on upstairs bedroom.
TMF 5.
Where are you?
I don't respond to people alone, so I'll get out of there for you.
Setting this camera up.
Wish me luck. How old are you?
I'm gonna go get a photo camera.
A ghost! Ah!
I'm not getting freezing temps.
Who are you? And some incense.
Then I'm gonna go get a photo of the bone.
Robin Bishop, Robin Bishop, Robin Bishop.
Show me a sign. Are you friendly?
Show me a sign in this room. Turn the breaker back off. Show me a sign. I got that camera hooked up. I'm gonna go check out the camera. Robin Bishop.
Looking for a cursed object is what I'm doing.
I shall join you instead of just throwing plates at you. This Robin Bishop character, low-key a bitch.
Robin Bishop.
I'm less scared because JD's in the room with her, not us. Or like your mom's a bitch. Ooh, got him, got her, got them. Are you in here, Robin? Are you in here?
Oh, I found the
Don't
monkey
be a
paw.
bitch. Robin Bishop, Robin
That's
Bishop,
where
Robin
it's at.
Bishop.
You hear that?
What is up with these ghosts right now?
I just slammed the fuck out of that door.
We got an EMF2 still in here.
Show yourself.
I just heard something.
Show yourself.
sign.
Oh, that's a sign.
That's another EMF 5.
Or was it out there?
The
It was-
5 or 4?
Yeah, 5. That was another 5.
It
Where
threw
was
the
it?
cam. It was in here.
Yeah, it was these doors that it moved.
I'm not seeing UV. Show me a sign. Oh, you got the monkey paw? You gotta look up the
Yeah.
commands for it.
Yeah, that's what I was about to do.
I'll let JD mess with that this time. Oh, that is the cursed object. I'm still looking for one. There's bone. Oh, nope, those are shoes. Show me
Yeah, I
a
already
sign.
got the bones.
Kill JD.
Do we have the... Have we brought the firelight in?
Yeah, it's downstairs. Over here. Right there.
We can test if it's an obake or not.
I set the candle up. Do you have the lighters or the matches?
I do.
Are you saying something?
Hit the camera.
Huh? Barely. It's like you're dead.
How about now?
Yes.
That was strange. How about now?
Yeah, I can still hear you.
JD?
Yeah.
Okay, you sound fine.
Light that fire. Light that candle. I think JD has the lighter.
Yeah. That's some kind of spooky ass music.
You just. Okay. You got it. Never mind.
Extinguishing a flame can cause an Onryo to attack, so I'm going to extinguish it. Didn't seem to do that, so we
Show
try
me a
it
sign.
multiple times.
Do something cool. Everything's in here.
Yeah, but it only responds to people who are alone.
Yeah. Oh, negative freezing Tims. We got freezing Tims.
Okay, so Jin, Shade, Oni are the twins.
Shit, I got this, boys. You ready?
Shades won't enter a hunt if there
I
are
wish for
people
anything.
nearby.
What'd you say about the hunt? About shades?
If there's multiple people, or if there are people nearby, it will not enter a hunt. That's one of our options.
That might be it because I wished for something. Oh. And the lights burst.
That'd be ghost writing.
Can I see it real quick? I want to try something.
Yeah, take.
Ooh, it's ghost writing. It's ghost writing. It's the shade.
Fuck yeah. Let's go.
You do what you want with that monkey paw drug.
I wish for death. Is that locked? No. I wish for death.
Do we have all the Someone needs to repel the ghost with an incense while being chased. You can wish for a hunt with that.
I wish for a
Wish
hunt.
for knowledge.
I wish for knowledge. Now I'm blind. I can't hear shit either.
You have the lighter, JD? There's an incense. Go get hunted.
I'm okay. I'm okay.
Give me the lighter. I need the monkey paw as well.
Godspeed.
I feel like Helen Keller, dog.
I wish to be hunted.
I can see your light. That's really about it.
Hunt me.
What?
I wish for a hunt.
That's Amelia Earhart. Or did Helen Keller fly a plane? Allegedly, I guess.
Guys, come check this out. Look at this.
I don't know. I can barely hear shit.
I need to come.
I don't know. Where'd you go?
Come check this out.
Follow me, Charlie.
This is leading me to the basement. I can
wish
see the
for a
back
hunt.
of your head. That is like it.
I wish for a hunt. I wish for
It's a
a
trap.
hunt. I wish for a hunt.
You said it was a trap?
It's not working, dude.
I'm dead. We could have gotten out of there, guys. What the fuck?
You're a monster.
Asshole.
It wasn't working.
That's twice I died to that shit.
It didn't hunt because of me. He didn't put any fingers down.
Rest in peace to the homie.
I'm sorry.
Welcome back.
Man, we could have all gotten out of there alive.
It was not my fault. He never put a finger down.
Those suck.
I know. I know.
I got drugged back inside while I'm blind and deaf.
I didn't want it to hunt again.
Then I
tried to
see
get it to hunt
JD
again.
turn around and I'm like, oh fuck, this is a trap. They try to kill me.
Bro, I was scared.
I forgot about that.
Welcome back. I prepared some jobs for you.
Then I turned around and then you turned back around and then you turned around and I was like, oh fuck. You're still muted, by the way.
It never hunted. Or it never put a finger down.
Man, I don't get an achievement for that either.
Damn. Well, y'all have a good night. I'm sorry you died.
It be what it be.
Thanks, homie. You too.
Y'all have a good night.
You too.
You probably stopped the recording.